Now we will practice a complete sentence and then we will make it positive and negative in present, past and future. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's practice again. I was a student.
I was a student.
I was not a student.
I was not a student.
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I'm not a student.
I'm not a student.
I will be a student.
I will be a student.
I will not be a student.
I will not be a student.
You were a student.
You are a student.
You were not a student.
You are not a student.
You are a student.
You are a student.
You are not a student.
You are not a student.
You will be a student.
You will be not a student.
You will not be a student.
You will not be a student.
He was a student.
He was a student.
He was not a student.
He was not a student.
He is a student.
He is a student.
He is not a student.
He is not a student.
He will be a student.
He will be a student.
He will not be a student.
He will not be a student.
She was a student.
He was a student.
She was not a student.
He was not a student.
She is a student.
He is a student.
She is not a student.
He was not a student.
She will be a student.
He will be a student.
She will not be a
He
student.
will not be a student.
We were students.
You are a student.
We were not students.
You are not student.
We are students.
You are a student.
We are not students.
You are not a student.
We will be students.
You will be a student.
We will not be students. They were students.
You are a student.
They were not students.
You are not a student.
We are students.
You are a student.
We are not students.
You are not a student.
Sorry, they are students.
You are a student.
They are not students.
You are not a student.
They will be students.
You will be students.
They will not be students.
You will not be students.
It was a pen.
It was a pen.
It was not a pen.
It was not a pen.
It is a pen.
It is a pen.
It is not a pen.
Not a pen.
It will be a pen.
It will be a pen.
It will not be a pen.
It will not be a pen.
Adi was a student.
Adi was a student.
Adi was not a student.
Adi was not a student.
Adi is a student.
Adi is a student.
Adi is not a student.
Adi is not a student.
Adi will be a student.
He will be a student.
Adi will not be a student.
He will not be a student.
আচ্ছা, এখন আমরা কি শিখলাম স্টুডেন্ট দিয়ে। এখন আমরা যদি আরো কিছু অ্যাড করি, যেমন I was a teacher. I was not a teacher. I am a teacher. I am not a teacher. I will be a teacher. I will not be a teacher. I'm a lawyer. I was a lawyer. I was a lawyer. I was not a lawyer. I am a lawyer. I am not a lawyer. I will be a lawyer. I will not be a lawyer. I was an engineer.
I was an engineer.
I was not an engineer.
I was not an engineer.
I am an engineer.
I am an engineer.
I am not an engineer.
I am not an engineer.
I will be an engineer.
I will be an engineer.
I will not be an engineer.
I will not be an engineer.
তাহলে এরকম ভাবে আমরা আরো কিছু পেশা অ্যাড করে আমরা নিজেরা কি হতে চাই এগুলো দিয়ে আমরা কি করতে পারি, মানে বেশি বেশি করে প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারি। The more you practice, the more you learn. The more you practice, the more you fluent English speaker you will be. সো আমাদের হচ্ছে প্রতিনিয়ত প্রচুর প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। এরকম ভাবে সেন্টেন্স মেক করে করে কি করতে হবে, প্রচুর চর্চা করতে হবে। If you practice more, you will be able to remove the inertia of your mouth. Understand?
Yes.
So what should you do? You should practice more. You should practice more and come to the class regularly. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is all for today. See you in the next class.